Do you want to get Nike Gift Card online? I prepared the easiest tutorial on how you can make it for free. Watch on and found out how to use free Nike Gift Card Generator. Let's go! Together we will go through all the steps, and after that, you will be able to enjoy all benefits you can get with Nike Gift Card. You will be able to use Nike Gift Cards online or at Nike retail stores. Let's start with the tutorial. Open up your favorite browser and go to this website, empirecodes.com. On the home page of this website, go and search for Nike Gift Cards. Click the first result link to open. Scroll down until you see this big button and click on it to open the generator. You can see all available amounts you can generate on the generator page. So scroll down and select the amount of your choice. Click on it and give the generator to do what it does best. Okay. The code's generated, but we can't see the last digits because it's hidden. To unlock it, simply click the Human Verification button and complete any survey of your choice to prove you are human and not an automated robot. Soon after you finish, the full code will be unlocked, and you can get the full working codes thanks to this generator.